Say good morning, everyone. Good morning. Kukang is here. We're here at the garden of her grandma. That's the grandma wearing a beautiful hat. Hi, grandma. Okay, we are here at the garden. So Kukang didn't remember that she was here before. Okay, Kukang. Say hello. Huh? You used to climb on these trees, right? Are you afraid? Mommy is just right here, okay? So mommy need to speak English because our followers are foreigners. When mommy speaks Bisaya or Cebuano, the Filipinos cannot understand because they also speak Tagalog, right? So we have to speak English. Good morning, everyone. You say good morning. Come here. Let's go. Okay. Kukang is going to this tree. Okay. You climb. Kukang just climb on the tree. Yay! Say, hi guys. I'm here at the top. Nai, what tree is this, Nai? What tree is this?
That is mango.
Oh, this is a mango tree.
Wow.
Wow.
This is an Indian mango. You are an Indian ringneck.
Oh, this is an Indian mango tree. And the bird inside is an Indian ringneck. So both are Indian, so both are relatives. Hi, this is an Indian mango, according to my mom. And that is an Indian ringneck bird. Kukang! So, that's...
They are perfectly matched.
Yeah. So, you enjoy Kukang? Okay. We'll just put Kukang for a while in there.